First off, praise to the Most High. Glory Yeshua, you are the ruler, it's in you that my hope lies. Faux God, no lie, no bite, I don't play both sides. Been so down with the windows down, truth music blowing at the whip so loud you repent when I roll by.
Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to buy a forklift because we're sick of carrying things around in here. So at the moment we're stripping Papa Smurf. It's his goodbye, so the final bits are out of it, and we've set up pallet racking in the shed just because we keep tripping over parts. So that's where we are today. We were meant to do something else car related, but the forklift is like well beyond its time. It's well beyond time for it. So we're going to get that today. So that's what we'll be doing today. Alrighty, so we are heading back from Burleigh. We've purchased a forklift, which my wife is absolutely cheering about the forklift purchase. We'll get a tow truck's picking up right now. They're going to drop it down. Then we've got to find a gas bottle for it, and we'll start up and work out how to use the forklift, which will be a good time. So yeah, that's where we are at. I'm excited. Be nervous for me. Yeah, hopefully this will save our issues with lifting things around in the workshop, so we can get things done a whole lot more smoothly. Yeah! It's just a forklift, but you know what? It's a JDM forklift. Kumatsu. Oh my god.
Let's go! Low profile tires, good skids.
Was fab equipped.
Good time.
Hey, careful on it.
How does it feel?
Oh, it's just the customer's car. No, I'm kidding. Nah, it's empty with mine.
How's your forklift going?
I've almost ripped the top beam off, but I didn't. And we almost burst the pipe, but I didn't. It's been a few years. It's probably been like 6 years since I drove a forklift last. And then in here, you gotta watch how high you go, and then you gotta watch how you're high up there, then you gotta remember to lower it to go under the beam, and then it's just, oh my gosh. It's like not ideal forklift area, but once it's in there, it won't be getting that often, so. Fingers crossed. Haven't dropped the forklift on my toe, dropped the hoist on it. Well, lucky for us guys, well, lucky for me, I didn't crash the forklift, which is just nice, so. I hope you, I don't know if you enjoyed that or not. Bit of forklifting. I've done it for so long, so why not? Just some of the things we've got to do to expand the things so we can do for you more AU Falcons. Yeah, no deaths, which was nice. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on Thursday. Hope you enjoyed a bit of forklift action. and no one died. So yeah, catch us on Thursday.